Hey guys, my name is Kennedy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've already been here. So I have my notes so I don't forget things. So today we're going to be talking about my wash day, quote unquote, but because I only have a TWA, it's not much of a day that's going to take washing this. So I want to implement questions of the videos, Q.O.T.V. So for today, how often do you wash your hair and why? For me, I wash my hair every week because I get bad product buildup, and I do not use a clarifying shampoo, blah blah blah, because I wash my hair every week with the shampoo. But that just works for me. But I'm asking because maybe somebody else's routine will work for me or whatever. Just suggestions and opinions and things like that, just leave them in the comments below. So alright, this is the same day. This is what my hair looks like after I wash it and put some product in it and stuff like that. So first and foremost, I pre-poo with honey and olive oil, and let me break it down for y'all. Honey is the benefit of hair, for me anyway. So what is honey? Why are we using it in my hair? Why? Honey is a natural humectant. A humectant, you may ask? Okay, so a humectant is something that retains moisture or preserves moisture. My hair is dry. I need moisture. That's it. So basically what a humectant does is it just absorbs water molecules from the air, and then it just sucks it into whatever you put the honey on. So I put it into my hair. That means water molecules are getting into my hair. Okay, so another benefit of honey is it's an emollient. So what is an emollient, you may ask? An emollient is something that smooths your hair's cuticle and softens hair, which promotes shinier, healthier looking hair. Another benefit of honey, it is an antibacterial. Okay, so that means if you have dry, itchy scalp, dandruff, dermatitis, any skin issues, like my skin used to be so dry, I used to have scabs on my scalp from scratching. I haven't had no problem since I started using pre-poos, and I use 1 part honey, 2 parts olive oil, mix it together, get this consistency. Now my consistency is probably a little thicker than what the instructions say, but I like it for me. So I always start in the back and work my way up, period. There is no starting in the front and working my way back, because when I first did my big chop, the main problem was my crown and right after my crown. So like, doop, in here. And it was the driest, the most just crunchy. Like the front and the side were doing exactly what I needed them to do, how I needed them to do it. But I apply it to my hair and I put a cap over it, do whatever for 30 minutes, and then I rinse it out. Some people warm up the honey. I don't, because I'm not using any heat on my hair. Then I move on into my shampoo, and using the one and only shampoo from Sally's. And I only got this shampoo like 1.5 years ago because this girl said it worked good in her weave, and it did. Man, when I tell you that this mess makes your hair feel so soft. The only thing is it's like a clarifying shampoo, so you can't use too much or your hair will feel stripped. I don't let my shampoo sit. It's literally wash, rinse it out. That's it. And then I move on into my conditioner. With my conditioner, I would be using the same brand with the one and only brand, but I ran out, and honestly, I didn't feel like stopping at Sally's to go get some more. So I was at Food for Less, picked up some Tresemme. It's never done me wrong. The conditioner I use today is the part of their Flawless Curls line, and so I didn't get their shampoo because I already had shampoo. I'm all about being frugal, so just about the conditioner, like If you've used Tresemme conditioner, I think they've all pretty much have the same consistency, like with feel, and the slip is really good. Like once you put it in, for me anyways, even when my hair was damaged, even right when I put it in, there was no tangles. I will go right on through with my brush, with my detangler comb, it doesn't matter. Same thing now. Put it on, detangle, and I only detangle when I condition. I don't detangle throughout the week. This is the only time I'm putting a brush to my head, and I use a paddle brush because a wide tooth comb isn't gonna work for me, and I don't have a dimming brush. This is the step when I really do massage my scalp, and I just massage, okay? And I really try to get the blood flowing to my hair and things like that to try to get some growth going, okay? And so, side note, growth, length check, all of that coming up in about a week, because the first is in a couple of days, so be on the lookout. So anyway, I rinse that out, then I'm moving into my deep conditioning, and I deep condition every week as well. Like I'm shampooing, but I'm deep conditioning as well. I use the Creme of Nature with Argan oil. I use whatever conditioner that I'm using. So today, or as of right now, I'm using Tresemme Flawless Curls, and I put olive oil on top of that to seal it in a deep conditioning bottle. It says 10 to 15 minutes, but that's with heat, and I'm not using any heat on my hair. During this hair journey, no heat will be put on this head, so besides the heat from the sun. And so I let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. So I just doubled the time since I'm not using any heat. Put a bag on your head or a shower cap, something, put it on your head. Go do what you gotta do, come back in 30 minutes, rinse it out. And so for today, I took an extra step because I wanted to see my hair type with no product in it. And you guys can tell me what you think my hair type is. I think my hair type is between a 3C and a 4A. After my hair had dried today, but usually it'll just happen right after I rinse out the conditioner and I use my t-shirt to dry my hair. I go in with my Main Choice growth oil, and there's hella oils in there. All this, it's some jojoba oils, but I think it works because as the first time I started using it, my scalp started tingling, and I already see the growth. So anyway, I go in with that, massage it onto my scalp, and then I go into my LCO method. And if you guys want to see my LCO method, I'll link that at the bottom of this video, and you guys can go watch it. But other than that, that is my wash day. Well, my hour-and-a-half wash day, if you will. And that's it. Like, this is my hair after, you know, all my product is in it. Once again, please leave your wash day schedule in the comments below. My hair type opinions in the comments. Just comment. I'm gonna respond. So you guys, thank you guys for watching. Please tune again next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I will respond. But thank you guys so much. Love you. Bye.